about this mess over here. I have a lot of work to do today, and I am going to show you some of the things that I'm selling on my eBay store. So just a little background on it. I have a customer who he cleaned out his closet, and he had probably 16 bags of things to he wanted to get rid of, and I said, well, I'll take it. So excuse me, what I did was I told him, I said, I'm going to go through your clothes. If I find anything good, I'm going to sell it. He said, that's cool. But I also took some of the other things that I didn't feel like I would sell, and I gave them to a friend of mine. She has a benevolent closet, and so she made sure that a lot of those things went to veterans, so that was kind of cool. And I have a feeling my cat just came in the room, so she may be a distraction or a problem. I don't know. We'll see what she does. She's such a crazy girl. But anyway, I wanted to show you what I have on sale right now. These are not things that I've sold yet, so if you see something that you like, you can stop over by my eBay store. It's House of Azadi, and I'll put the link in the description below. And you can stop by and see what else I've got. I've got just a couple things I'm going to show you, and don't look at this mess. Okay, so the first thing I have is this little dress here. It's really cute. Look, it's got these little cap sleeves, and it's knee length. So it's gathered at the waist, not too puffy at the waist, and it is, I don't know if you can see, it's darted here in the front so that it does give some flattering lines to the figure, to your figure. She's trying to mess with my thing. Sorry, that's my cat. Anyway, this one's by K&K, and it's a size large, and it's adorable. Look at it. It's really, really cute. It's got a little zipper in the back. So that's one thing that I have on sale in my store right now. Then I have this Ralph Lauren. This is a men's dress shirt. It's a Ralph Lauren with that teal blue, and it's a size XL with these beautiful stripes on it, and it's got the Ralph Lauren logo embroidered on it there, and this is the back. So pretty nice, huh? This one's not, there's no stains or rips or anything on this, but I believe it is pre-owned. Then I have this lady's blouse. I really like this. It's got this kind of drapey cowl type collar, neckline in the front. It's sleeveless, and it comes down. It's about hip length, and you can see it's got a lot of pretty colors. And this one is by Cable and Gauge, and it's a size medium, if you can see that. And that one's on sale. And here's another lady's shirt, and this one is by Charter Club. Now look, it says perfectly soft Pima cotton, and it's a size large, and I'm telling you, this is so soft. I love this. If I don't sell it, fits, I might keep this one. But it's got it's not really a 3/4 sleeve, so if you look, it's like a half sleeve really. But it is so soft, and the colors are good. You can do a lot of things with this, so I love that. Now I have this little skirt, right, and you can see it's got all different kinds of colors on it, and it's slitted, okay, almost like a wraparound, but it is, there's a seam here so that it, you know, if the wind catches it or something, you're not showing off everything underneath. But this is 100% silk, has a zipper in the back, and it is darted, you know, at places to kind of fit to the body in the back, and also, sorry, I dropped it. Also in the front, there's some darting. This is a size 2, and it's Valerie Stevens Petites. So it's knee length, but it is a petite size. I'm sorry that the lighting's so bad in here, but it's just kind of an impromptu video. So anyway, that skirt is for sale, and it is dry clean only, so it's not machine washable, but it's adorable. And I have another one of these shirts that has the drapey front. Hold on a minute, I gotta figure out where's the front on this. So this shirt right here, if I could get it right. Sorry. Okay. This shirt right here. This shirt, this is a Worthington. It's, okay, maybe if I did it like this, you could see. It's a large. It's a little bit too large for me. But it also has this draped bias cut front. Yeah, like I said, it's a little large for me. But the colors are good. I like it. It's like a purple and black leopard print, you know. But yes, it's a Worthington. This one is, it's hard to see this on here. It's a 2X, so it's very large. That's really hard to see. You can see the picture on my eBay posting though. I got a good shot of the inside. It doesn't have a tag. It's printed on the material, so that's one thing for comfort even. You won't have that tag sticking in the back. Okay, and I have a couple naughties here, okay? So, if you like Stewie, I have this t-shirt. Stewie, oops, spanked me, I've been a bad boy. Yeah, well. And this shirt is made by Delta Pro Weight, and it is an extra large. So, I mean, if you hold it up to me, I'm typically a large. It's an extra large. It's pretty big. But it's for sale. There's nothing on the back on this one, but this one's still for sale. Actually, this one's a buy it now. I am considering putting it on auction. So if you see this and you're interested in it, but this price on it is too high for the buy it now and you'd rather do an auction, let me know in the comments and I'll change it. I have one more naughty. Okay, this one is Cheech and Chong. Can you see that? You know they're bad, right? And it says Up in Smoke on it. And we know what it implies. I don't see any weed or anything on here. No pot leaves. There's none on the back either, but I think, nope, there's not one on the inside. This one is a medium. Okay, so to give you some perspective, like I told you, I wear a large comfortably, but this is, I guess, a man's medium, so it would fit me. This one doesn't have a tag either. It's printed on the inside. That might be hard for you to see, but it's, you know, Up in Smoke because it's Cheech and Chong. So this one's kind of fun if you're into that kind of thing. So I have other things on sale as well, but I just wanted to give you kind of a little overview of what I have actively selling. I didn't post anything. Well, I do have two things I can show you I've sold. So these were bought by the same customer. I'll show you these. I'm getting ready to ship these out. This one is, this is an Aeropostale flannel shirt. And, oh, it's so nice. This one is a size large. And it's Aeropostale. And I'm getting ready to ship this one out. But yeah, it's a nice one here. And I also have, this one's brand new. It doesn't have tags on it, but I can tell by the way that it feels like it's never been washed or anything. This one is a Brooks Brothers, yes, Brooks Brothers flannel shirt. Okay, and it's a size large. It's the Brooks Brothers 1818, so that's the better of the two types of Brooks Brothers. So those are two things that I'm getting ready. I'm going to mail these out today. But I just recently sold these actually to the same customer. We worked some things out, you know, through messaging and whatnot, and customer bought both of these, so gotta get them out so they can have their shirts. So anyway, that's all that I have here. If you're an eBay seller, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know about that too. And this is my first eBay video. Have a good one. Bye bye.